Hello everyone, I am here to discuss Google Ads tips and tricks. Thank you so much for your overwhelming response on LinkedIn ads. Wasting money with no ROI? You want to optimize your ads further for better result? So this video is for you, wherein I will talk about what best thing we can do during the optimization and how we can create the better result. First steps, set clear goal. This is very common and looks simple, but this is the most important thing, how we can generate a lead. And before that, what is the objective here? It may be lead, it may be sales, it may be brand awareness. What is your goal from this ad? So that is very important part that we need to take care of. Second tip, master audience targeting. Now on Google, we get a chance to adjust our audience and optimize it according to our need. So use always custom intent audience, or you can do a remarketing. You can set your audience as per your ICP, that is ideal customer profile. Third point, leverage first party data. What it means is use user data, that is email marketing data or newsletter data, or maybe on CRM you will get the customer profile. Collate that and upload on Google Ads to get maximize ROI. Fourth point, fix underperforming campaign. Whenever we see some ad are not working, that landing page is not working, maybe that CTA are not getting us a conversion, we need to check that and we need to convert that into high performing ad. That is the most important thing in Google Ads or any kind of paid ads. Fifth point, that is A/B testing. This is very crucial point. Why? Because whenever we have the 5 Google ads, now we can understand then in 5 ad group which ad groups are working, which are not. That is very crucial. And now how we will know that? We can integrate a tool through Google Ads and now we can optimize according to the data. So this is very important, so that we can base on the data, not an assumption, so that we can create a better result. Sixth point, you can optimize your ads through AI. Now there are Performance Max campaign. There are lots of tools which can help you to optimize your ads for creating a better result. So you can implement that AI part in terms of data analysis and how it's happening, how it's going, which kind of ad are working. So data analysis and the integration of AI and Performance Max will help you to generate a better revenue. 7 point, that is website visitor retargeting. Whenever someone are visiting your website, they know you, they know your brand, what you are offering, what is the product services and USP, they know already. Now if you will target them, then definitely they have already crossed the awareness stage and now they are in desire stage or sales stage. Now you can focus on remarketing so that you can get a better ROI and results. 8th point is monitor, and whenever you set something, don't forget about that. Actually, real game is not about setup at all. That can be done maybe 30 minutes, but real expertise starts when we optimize that ad, and that is the art, that is the game that as an expert we do. So now whenever we have the data, how to optimize, what to optimize, and why we are doing, that is a very crucial thing to do. 9 point, strong CTA makes whole difference. Why? Because you are telling your visitors what to do next. Now the clear and concise CTA will always help you versus a vague one. For example, buy now will always help you versus learn more. You will get always better result in buy now, not in learn more. So here CTA and what action you are proposing to your customer is very crucial. 10th tips, use interactive video versus static images. Now we live in video era where everyone wants to interact with the ads, content and anything in the internet. Now video ads works wonder because people are able to connect with your product and services quickly and very clearly. So go with the video ads versus static ads. That's it. That was a 10 tips for Google Ads how you can optimize your ROI and can get better result. If you find this insightful, please support us and subscribe. If you want to leverage the platform Google Ads, then you can connect with us. Thank you so much.